Oh, hello everybody. I know you saw this helmet before. Let's pop this off. Last time it wasn't finished. But this time it is. I had to swap out the piece I had in there before, since they wouldn't allow these to go in. But now they're in. Communications are all hooked up. So this helmet is 100% complete now. Phew, buddy. I think somebody asked me to go and wear this. Well, first I'm going to go and take care of the nape strap. All right. All right. Helmet is on. All right. So what do you guys think? How does it look? I don't know if you guys can hear me or not with the mask on. Yeah, it really sucks is trying to go and put stuff on. Alright. So this was hooked up to the aircraft to be able to speak and hear because of the microphone and the speakers in here. Alright. Yeah, this helmet's on there pretty good. Hold on. Now, but those things do generate a lot of heat. I think I turned really red back there. But now we got ourselves a 100% complete HGU-55 I. Oh, by the way, this mask isn't functional anyways because it was damaged when I got it. So I restored this to its former glory just so that I could have a mask that'll match this. Because this is the I got this helmet I'll be doing next with the leather ear cups. So basically be sort of like this, but I gotta get the foam edge roll in so that it'll keep it in. Then once that's done, then I'll put some Velcro on the inside. To hold the leather ear cups into place. But before I do that, I'll have to get the screws out so that I can go and tape this helmet with the camouflage tape before I go and do anything else. It'd be fun. Something I haven't done before. Then I'll have to get some more, get another 4708 communications cord. I do have to get another chin strap. I do have some nape straps. By the way, these are original. The visor assembly and the visors are original to this helmet. I added the brand new mask receivers to this. This is that one that I had gotten a while back with the green oxygen mask. Yeah, I'll see you guys later, and if you like the content, hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave some comments. Thank you guys, and see you later. Bye.